Hey there, Facebook enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, RentTechPH, where we discuss the latest tips and tricks to help you monetize your online presence. So today, we have an exciting topic to cover, monetizing your personal Facebook account. As you may already know, Facebook has opened up opportunities for personal accounts to earn money through various means such as Facebook Reels and in-stream videos. In this video, let's talk about the importance of creating evergreen content. Evergreen content is like a timeless gem that continues to shine even years after its creation. It is content that remains relevant and valuable to your audience regardless of when they stumble upon it. So why is evergreen content crucial for making money through Facebook's monetization program? First, evergreen content has a long lifespan. Unlike time-sensitive or trending topics, evergreen content remains valuable and attracts viewers over an extended period. By consistently posting evergreen content, you increase your chances of earning passive income through ad revenue, brand partnerships, and more. Second, evergreen content attracts a wider audience. When your content remains relevant for years, it has a higher chance of reaching new viewers who discover it organically through search engines or social media algorithms. By optimizing your content for keywords and topics that have lasting appeal, you can tap into new audiences and potentially increase your revenue streams. So how can you create evergreen content? Let me share a few tips with you. First, focus on timeless topics. Choose subjects that people will be interested in today and years down the line. For example, tutorials, educational content, or product reviews are all great options. Second, offer valuable insights. Provide an information or solutions that are valuable and applicable regardless of the current trends or circumstances. And third, optimize for search. Research keywords and optimize your content to increase its visibility in search engine results. This will help attract new viewers over time. Remember, creating evergreen content requires a strategic approach. By investing time and effort in producing valuable and timeless content, you set yourself up for long-term success on Facebook's monetization program. Even years from now, your videos will continue to generate income and provide value to your audience. That's it for today's video, folks. If you found this information useful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel RentTechPH for more valuable content on monetizing your online presence. Until next time, keep creating and keep earning.